Discuss Hindu's editorial. Here, the main heading of the editorial is lapsing into the contempt. Here, the meaning of contempt means like disrespect, and like lapsing into the contempt means like going through growing like we are like going through a contempt like into the criticism manner. And the main topic was about finding Prashant Bhushan guilty for contempt reflects a low threshold for criticism. So here, like Prashant Bhushan has disrespected the like some of the laws and some of the things in the institutions. After seeing his behavior, or like after he will feel somewhat guilty, right, or regret, right, that he had behaved like that. So after this, after, even though after his behavior, like there was a small entry for the criticism. So if he did a mistake, like everyone would oftenly, like they will criticize, right, they will scold, like that he, like in the matter of Prashant Bhushan also there was a small entry of criticism. Let's go to the topic. The Supreme Court's order finding advocate Prashant Bhushan guilty for contempt of court reflects poorly on the institutional tolerance of criticism. So here Prashant Bhushan was an advocate. So he had totally he had disrespected, and he had and he also gave an entry of criticism in the in some of the institutions where in the institution with which he had disrespected. So like they were finding some of the they're finding some of the institution tolerance for the criticism. The judgment of three-judge bench on the suo motu contempt proceedings against Mr. Bhushan hardly adds to the dignity and majesty of court that is sustainable steps out of upload. So here, like it has said that after there was a there was a contempt, right, like suo motu. So after proceedings means like after some of the laws and after some of the settlements and after some of the judgments, so they finally they had gone against the Mr. Bhushan and about his dignity and majesty of the court. So even they also they also had expected some of the respect from the Mr. Bhushan towards the courts and some of the institutions, but they did not have, they did not got that. So finally they had went against the institutions, and even went against the Mr. Bhushans who had criticized the institutions. It is unfortunate that two tweets and not any set of scandalous and scurrilous allegations have occasioned this heavy-handed treatment. So here, like they were like after doing this type of thing, they like there will be many tweets, right? So these are also like even considering this all of the tweets also, they want even to make a sharp judgment according to him, because criticizing some of the institution was a totally a wrong thing, right? So most of the people have even given a against tweets against Mr. Bhushan. So even this also will come under the contempt of criticism. The first tweet in which an image of Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, in an informal setting has been used to make a critical remark that he was denying citizens' recourse for justice for fundamental rights violations may be exaggerated for even unwarned view and absence of physical bearing stuff. So here, like they have said that the Chief Justice of India was S.A. Bobde. So he also had he also had some critical remark that he had denying citizens resource, every judges will have so many of the some of the threats, right, against the opposite judges. So even he also kept in mind about the physical bearings and some of the regrets and some of the threats. So finally, like he was not that much interested to give the judgment according to the against the Prashant Bhushan. So like everyone has said that if he took it, like if even though it is a sinless thing, but even he also takes physical bearings also very cheap, so it should not be repeated again. So Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde had given an warning that to consider the cases which are of physical bearings, and also about the things which even which are exaggerated for the unwanted things. However, it is quite a stretch to say that it undermines the court's dignity, lowers its authority, or interferes in administration of justice. So it has undergoes the court's dignity means like if the judge was not good in the court, then automatically the whole court will give a wrong judgment for a person, or even like they'll all not support a truth. So if they not support the truth, automatically the dignity of anyone will go like it will go less, right? So like that only, even in the court, if there was no correct judgment, or if they do wantedly, or they do because of any threats, so automatically the court's dignity will become less in everyone's view. At best, it touches partially on the SGI's personal conduct and partially on his administrative decision making. They have made on personal conduct and some administrative decision making according to this Prashant Bhushan's case. Neither part brings with it an exponential malice and scurrility warning action for criminal contempt. Even this matter even brings some of the criminal contempt, threat for the things, damage and some of the harmful thing for the people who are going against the Prashant Bhushan, and there were also some of the warning actions, but everyone should have to face this, and even must give they have to give a good judgment. It is precisely that sort of criticism that is judiciary ought to be able to be struck off. The second tweet, in which Mr. Bhushan has blamed the court more particularly that last 4 CJs for the destruction of democracy in the last 6 years, even without a formal emergency, requires no defense. So Mr. Bhushan had made a second tweet that the second tweet that he had made is that the destruction of democracy. He also said about the destruction of democracy, in the starting of a democracy, it is ruled by some of the educated people and some of the mentally and physically strong people, and who is somewhat even matured. Then the democracy was somewhat good, but now according to some of the more political things and more political threats, now some of the democracy was destroying, and somewhat it is unfair, right? So the second tweet that the Mr. Bhushan had tweeted is destruction of democracy. He compared the democracy in the first and about the democracy enough. So he had made a tweet that destruction of democracy, even without a formal emergency, requires no defense. So he also said that even about the government of India and about the central India, even he also tweeted that even without any chance or without any trying, every central India will directly will borrow and help from others, but they would not even try themselves. So this is the second tweet done by Mr. Bhushan. It is clearly in the nature of political opinion, be it with reference in the working of an institution for the four personages who headed the judiciary during the period. So here here they also made an they had going into the period that they had so much aggressive meeting among them, and they also shared the opinions between them about this all the things. And he also made a tweet that if we had done injustice for the people, for Mr. Prashant Bhushan, for some of the people, obviously the people may go against us, and they'll also say that it is not a good thing, and they also may go against our court and our laws. So everyone had an successive and aggressive meeting among the CGIs, and they're all thinking about the fair and the unfair justice which should be given by the court for this all the criticizing contempt, especially in the backdrop of some former judges too holding sharply critical opinion of conduct of some of them. So even not only for only this judge, but also for some of the judges who are working privately or who are working in the government thing, everyone must some of the in those things, some of the people also have some critical opinion, right? So they were a little bit confused about which is the fair and which is unfair justice. Mr. Bhushan, abrasive animation of judicial conduct is no more discordant than a former CJ being accused by his colleagues of being under executive influence or misusing his power as master for the roster with an view to obtaining favorable outcomes. So like this only there was a case which is registered in the before some of the years. So here it is given that some of the people were most influenced and some of the judges were also most influenced. So so everyone must have here the judges are giving some of the massive powers to their relatives or some of their own ones. So even they were misusing the powers. So it is they said that it's not that this must not be repeated again and again in the future, and this not and now it must be a stop for the judges. There is some inherent irony in the court claim that allowing Mr. Bhushan's remarks to go unpunished would lower the country's image in the community of nations. So here they said that allowing if we allow all the remarks of the Mr. Bhushan, automatically the respect to the country will also decrease, right? Everyone would think that this country will always support the unfairness. So to say for anyone that it is not good, so they want to finalize the justice or injustice in the Mr. Prashant Bhushan's case. The highest court built its Walmart fame on stellar judgments and record of the fearless independence. If at all it is fails in the estimation of the world enough, it may only be because of growing perception of judicial evasion, self-imposed retiredness, and quite equivalence in the face of executive power. So here they have said that everyone would be have a correct estimation according to the in the judicial awareness and even the self-imposed retiredness and quiet equivalence in the face of executive power. So everyone must have a proper estimation, and everyone must even think which is good and which is wrong in every estimation. So everyone must should given an correct justice, and even now they are also estimating about the about the fair and unfair justice of in the Prashant Bhushan's case. So let's go to the meanings. Contempt means disrespect. Threshold means like doorstep entrance, and majesty means a beauty, royal power. So we'll say that this music was as a majesty, this music gives a royal like a feeling, and sustainability means appearing to be true, apparent and seeming. Seeming means just a thinking or just a guessing. Scurrilous means abusive. Declenting means describe or portray, outline, dissipate. And malice means ill will, desire to harm someone, and mostly. So here some of the tough meanings which everyone must understand. So today's editorial was totally about the unfair and fair justice of the courts in the Prashant Bhushan's case. Thank you.